up is our sweet shot. This is a super delicious, super easy drink. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna start with our martini shaker. That's what we're using today. This is my martini shaker, thank you very much. I'm gonna add an ounce of milk. All right, today I'm just using whole milk in here. If you have a different milk preference, go for it. But the next ingredient is sweetened condensed milk. So it's gonna be equal parts sweetened condensed milk, and your Cometeer Klatch capsule. Now, they sell sweetened condensed milk in a squeeze bottle in the grocery store, and I was incredibly depressed when I went there today, and they did not have it, of course. So I had to buy a can, so I'm pouring out of here. So excuse the sticky mess. It's just, yep, let's see, can I do it? That's as good as it's gonna be. So there you go, sweetened condensed milk. All right, and then we are gonna add our Cometeer capsule. We're just gonna toss that right in. Now this is gonna be my serving cup here, so I'm gonna have my ice measured out. I'm gonna put my ice in there. I'm gonna put my shaker on, and any guesses? That's right, we're gonna shake it. Now this is not a great seal, so we're gonna hope that we don't make a big mess right here. It's working, yay! Kind of, sort of, I feel like moving out a little bit, but that's okay. All right, we're shaking, and we're mixing it up, and it's getting frothy, and it's getting delicious. You're gonna love this. Oh, look at that. Love this drink so much. Look, frothy and yummy. I thought I just sipped it out. This one's so good. Ready? Pour it into your cup, ice and all. Love it. Oh. This is like one of my favorite all-time drinks. We used to serve it in the stores. We don't anymore, so if you want a little throwback Klatch, sweet shot right here for you.